Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 14 Pro and Max. This works on all those models and it works on any iPhone 8 and up. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. And once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. Continue to hold. You can now let go. If this video does help you guys out, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If it doesn't help you guys out, it doesn't hurt you to subscribe to the channel anyways. If you guys subscribe to the channel, you guys will have good luck. If you don't subscribe to the channel, your internet's going to go out for a week. And there you guys go. Your iPhone has been force resetted.